When we talk about robotic surgery, we have to understand the background of surgery. Now, if you look at centuries of how surgery was performed, right from the day of 6th century BC, where surgery was performed on the banks of river Ganges by Shushruta, and then came development of anesthesia, pain medicine, antisepsis, and so surgery came to the operation theatres and big surgeries were performed. At that point of time, the bigger the incision one surgeon would make, the bigger the surgeon would be. But that was not going really good to the quality of life of the women or men who were undergoing surgery. And that is why 3 or 4 decades back, the technology of doing keyhole surgery came into picture. At that time, that was also brushed aside, thinking it is something new and probably will not be help. But today, that technology, as we know as laparoscopy, is here to stay. Everybody knows about laparoscopy. All patients want their surgery, and why not? Especially in gynecological surgery, there is no surgery that we cannot do by minimal access or keyhole surgery. But the problem is that these are difficult surgeries to gain skill for. It takes a long time for a surgeon to gain the skill to be able to perform these surgeries for these women perfectly and in all situations. And that is the reason robotic surgery today is a logical step in improving these minimal access or keyhole surgery to be able to do more and more surgeries for women. Now, why are we moving into more technology? It's true for every field of life. Now, if you take just a simple form of communication. Now, about 10 years back, almost everybody had a small phone where you could punch in some numbers, make a call, receive an SMS. But today nobody wants to have anything which is less than a smartphone. For simple reason, for communication was there with that phone as well as for smartphone. So I jokingly tell my patients that a robotic platform for me to operate is like a smartphone. I get better technology in terms of I can see better because I am working on a 3D vision with 10 times magnification as compared to what I was doing in laparoscopy, which was a 2D vision with 3 or 4 times magnification. The laparoscopy gave me long instruments which were difficult to manipulate, while robotic instruments are intuitive, they move like my hand, it's as if I'm doing an open surgery but with minimal access way. Because of magnification in robotic surgery, I can do more precise surgery, less blood loss. So there is no need for blood. Pain is less. There is less tissue damage. We are able to send women home the same day or maximum next morning. So that is the advantage for the patient to embrace technology when they want to get their surgery done. So this is the advantage of robotic surgery in contemporary times. So there are basically, if you ask today, there are basically 2 forms of surgery. One is an open surgery and the other is a minimal access or keyhole surgery. The open surgery is still valid for some conditions, and if you ask me in gynecology, other than carcinoma of the ovary, the rest all gynecological surgeries can be done by keyhole surgery. In the keyhole surgery, the technology that is available now everywhere is laparoscopy. But not many surgeons are able to do all surgery laparoscopically across all spectrum of disease. So the newer technology that has now added onto the laparoscopy is the robotic platform. It's a logical advancement of laparoscopic surgery. Differences few. One is the way we see, and that is very important because what we see we operate. So in a laparoscopic surgery, we have a 2D vision. In a robotic surgery, we have a 3D vision, just like we are seeing right now. But in a 2D vision, my mind has to work more to understand a 3D pathology in a 2D screen to be able to operate. We understand, we learn, we do, but it's difficult. The second is the use of instruments. Now, instruments in laparoscopic surgery, as we call it in our language, straight stick. That means it is just a stick with which I will try to manipulate and do the surgery. However, in robotic surgery, it is like my wrist. So I can move my hand, the instruments, just like my hands inside the patient and perform the surgery better. There are various other advantages that you can see, the amount of blood loss, the pain, quick recovery, all those things are much more with robotic surgery as compared to laparoscopy or even open surgery for that matter.